Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you a fascinating plugin for estimating the height of tree in the QGIS environment. So if you like this types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel in order to be notified regarding the future videos from my channel. Okay, let's start. The first things that I'm going to do here is to show you this plugin. For this one, here I have the plugin Mapflow. If you don't have this plugin, it's easy to install. Just you need to go to plugins from here and manage and install plugins, abort fetching, and from search, look for Mapflow. Since I have installed, it's installed and I don't need to install it. However, you will have the option of installing install plugin. Just click on that and it's easy. There's some process of registration for this plugin and you can do it by yourself, and also there's a video in my channel regarding this process. It's easy to do by yourself. However, if you need this process, if you need any help, you can use that video. Here we have a brief information regarding this plugin and its application. You can see here it's very good for digitizing buildings, roads, fields, forests, and etc. Here I'm going to use for forests and trees, specifically estimating the height of trees. Okay, let's back to my QGIS environment. In the first step, I need to add a base map. In order to add base map to QGIS environment, you can use browser from XYZ tile. Here we have an OpenStreetMap. Double click on that. Then you can define your study area. For example, this is a good area for this purpose. Try to use an area that there are trees and other vegetations. In order to define a study area using shapefile, in QGIS we can use new shapefile layer, give it a name, for example, study area. I don't want to change file encoding. Instead of that, I'm gonna add a geometry type. I'm gonna use polygon here and I will leave the other in default. Click on OK. It's gonna add to your layers as a layer. In the next step, I need to do it on the map. For this purpose, use toggle editing, and from add polygon, I can add a polygon into my study area. Okay. I want to apply this plugin here. Look at the cursor of your mouse that it's ready for this one. My start point is here, then here, until here, here. Okay, when you've finished, it's easy to finish. Just right click, and if you want, you can add an ID to your created polygon. Since I don't need it, I click on OK, and this is my created polygon for my study area. I want to do some modification on that. Right click from properties, from single symbol, and click on simple fill, I'm sorry. Here we can change the layer type. I'm gonna have an outline of my layer. I don't want it as the faded one. From color, we can change its color. For example, this one is okay. And also I'm gonna increase its thickness. You can do other modification if you are interested. However, until now it's okay for me. Click on apply and okay. We have the created area as the polygon. Right now it's time to use Mapflow plugin for estimating the height of tree. I need to click on Mapflow. Since this plugin is a little different from other plugins, you need to create an account. I have a video in my YouTube channel for this purpose. You can use that one. It's an easy process. You just need to have an email account that you can easily define that and get a username and password. Then it's gonna give you a token that you have to paste here. Then your account is gonna be activated. Until now it's okay. I don't want to go deep. The time I open this one, here we have a name. As I said before, I'm gonna use it for tree height. As the area, I define my study area that I created as polygon. From data source, I'm gonna use Mapbox satellite. If you want to use, you can use and search for satellite data, and also global mosaic that is available here. So from AI model, I'm going to use for forest and trees. In the next step, we have a model options, trees crowns, also height estimation. I'm gonna leave them in default. You can choose if you are interested. Here we can see that my information regarding the account that I told you that I created before. If you logged in into your account, it should be here like this. You have the information, author name, updated, and so on. Right now, everything is ready. I can start on processing. It's gonna take a while in order to do this processing. As you can see, it's gonna notify me when the processing is gonna finish. Click on that, wait a little. Depends on your study area. You can estimate the time that you have to wait. If you have a large area, you have to wait a lot, otherwise it's gonna do it in a quick way. Okay, very good. We have the message saying that your processing has been down. Click on OK. And as you can see, I need to double click here. Then click here, double click. It's gonna add all your results in the layers. Okay. Since I don't need to use plugin, I'm gonna close that one. Back to the layers. I don't need this one too, and this one too. Right now we can see that anywhere on my created polygon that we have trees, we have a category of these trees. Okay, this is the result that we received from this plugin. Let's a little zoom in and back to the categories that we had. For example, these areas are related to class 0, 4 meter to 10 meter, these green areas. And so we have for below here, we have less than for 0.04 meter. And here we have 10 meter to 99 meters that are mostly covered the study area. And we have the highest cover of trees here. This is very good for green space areas, analysis in urban areas. I hope the content of this video will be useful for you. So if you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your attention.